Is your AC not cooling properly? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you the 10 major reasons why your air conditioner stops cooling and how you can fix each problem step by step. This 3D animated guide will make everything super easy to understand, even if you're not a technician. So let's begin. The most common reason an AC stops cooling is a dirty air filter. When the filter gets clogged with dust, the airflow reduces and the AC cannot cool the room. Always check and clean your air filter every 15 to 20 days. If the AC is blowing air but not cooling, low refrigerant gas may be the reason. Gas leaks are usually caused by small cracks in the pipes or joints. Only a technician should refill or repair the leak. But you must know this is one of the major causes. When the outdoor unit is covered in dust, mud, or leaves, heat cannot escape. As a result, your AC loses cooling power. Clean your outdoor fins gently with a brush or water to restore cooling. The compressor is the heart of your AC. If the compressor is weak, stuck, or overheated, cooling drops instantly. You may hear clicking sounds, or the AC will turn on and off. This requires professional repair. If the fan is not rotating properly, the AC will not cool at all. The fan removes heat from the outdoor unit. Check if the fan blades are stuck or if the motor is weak. A damaged or misplaced thermostat sensor can give wrong temperature readings. If the AC thinks the room is already cool, it will slow down cooling. This is a small but very common problem. If doors or windows are open or sunlight is directly entering the room, your AC will struggle to cool. Make sure the room is sealed, curtains are closed, and airflow is not blocked. The capacitor helps the compressor and fan motor start. If it is weak or damaged, your AC won't cool and may make a humming noise. A technician can change it in minutes. If you see ice forming on the indoor coil, it means low gas, poor airflow, or dirty filters. Once the coil freezes, the AC stops cooling. Turn off the AC and let it melt before running again. Sometimes the issue is very simple. Your AC might be running in fan mode, dry mode, or low fan speed. Always set it to cool mode with temperature between 22 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. So these are the 10 major reasons your AC stops cooling. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more 3D repair videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.